Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix external drive is not showing in the File Explorer in Windows 11. If you are using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your drive is not showing in your File Explorer, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to make sure that your drive is physically plugged in as well as correctly. So after doing that, you just have to simply go to search, and here just search for device manager, and the very first thing you can try to update your drivers. So here just look for drives, as the disk drives, just expand it, and just update all the drivers you found here. So once you updated all the drivers, you just have to go back, and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go back, and here you just have to press window button and just search for disk management. Just search for disk management. You might see the option of create partitions, create and format hard disk partitions. So just open it, and in this section you will find your disk. If you find your disk here but not in your File Explorer, so you just have to right click on your disk, and from here just change drive letter or give a new path to your drive, and after doing that your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.